I was filming a little new chicken video. Both of hens, that hen and the other hen right over here, they've started laying. There's only 9 of them now. Something got there, a little white rooster. Well, heck, I've lost 4 chickens. Something got a rooster I had down here in the pen, and my silver lace Wyandotte hen got run over, and then something got that yellow buff hen I had. So I had 44 chickens. I got 40 now. But I'll have less. I get rid of 10, 11 roosters. I just making a new little chicken video. That smudge on damn screen here. Hell, it probably ain't filming too damn good. Dang bug, try to fly up my nose. I wanted there to be more hens. I thought them 2 white ones there was hens. Well, like I said, they just one white one now. But I was hoping, you know, that thought at one point they was both hens there, and then hell turned out to be damn roosters. Well, I don't think all them babies was that one hen that hatched them off, too. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Bye.